yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. You see that stream here? It's even all land. Okay, so this is my swimming pool, basically my kids' swimming pool. And what we wanted to heat it up water a little bit. And for this reason, I got the suggestion and watched the YouTube videos how to make that heater to heat a little bit of water on in a pool. Now, how this heater works, that it's sucking the water from the pool through the submersible water pump. It's okay to have it, but very most important is that you cannot use the swimming pool while the submersible pump is on. So I have to always turn it off, and at that time the heater won't work. And today my project will be to replace submersible pump for the outside pump, which is like the gardening transfer water pump, kind of like this, the pump. I received it today on Amazon. So let's go back and open the pack. All right, so today I received a package from Amazon, and this is the shallow well pump, which I consider my swimming pool. So using it will be interesting stuff, but definitely peace of mind gives me that while using this one here and we're not turning the power off, is safe. So definitely that's different when we had that before. So let me put it on here. Alright, it's not a little one like I expected. It's pretty fair size. So now we are going to do some changes on the heater. Alright, so as you can see here, I got everything here, so moving to the shade it's easier and lighter. I need to disconnect submersible hose. And yeah, this end goes to upper here, so I have to put the coupling on and connect it together. Couplings are here. Sorry, like this. It's on my way. Alright, so this coupling comes over here with a ring rubber ciśnienie. Do not over tight, just a light power on. Now, okay, disconnect this part over here. It has a rubber washer here, so easy to install. The pump should be under the water level, so below the water level. I have the shaft here where I can place it, and once that under, so it's get better flow and easier suction for the pump. Okay, so that's in. Now let's open the hose. Button pump. Right. Basically, yeah, goes into the water. Exactly, as I mentioned it, I have to pour the water inside here to the pump, open it, so fill it up the pump with the water before I start to run it. Yeah, they saying fill up the hose as well with the water. So they're showing me here like to pour the water inside the garden hose, but what I will do, it's just simple. That's it. Okay. So we know that this part comes over here. The best thing will be to leave it on the sun. Okay, to straighten this, to straighten it a little bit better. Yeah, now that shows me that I can have the pump pretty far from the swimming pool. Okay. Two plugs, one here on the top, and we'll see. Yeah, there is enough water. And I'll put that hose inside the pool. Okay. Definitely I will find the location how to place the hose under the water here, and plus to find the best spot for the pump, where to place it, and let it go, let it be on spot, then turn on off, see how it works. Now we are watching this vent, if the water will come off of this here. Probably when I turn it on, we'll need to put more water in and wait and in and wait, something like that. Yeah. More water pour in. I hope that the pump is strong enough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. You see that stream here? It's even all land. The water temperature in the pool right now shows me 23 degrees. Now, to show you how warm water is when I start pouring. Now all the hot water is out, to see. Let it run for a few minutes and see if the temperature will raise it up. "25. You see 20. Each dial is 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. So between 20 and 30. So when I said it was 23, it was below, it was here. Now we have over 24. So for a few minutes. But anyway, the main and most important reason was to replace that pump was because of that electrical shock. You cannot get it from using it while swimming inside and using the heater at the same time and using submersible pump. It can get really severe electrical shock. So thanks for watching, and give me a thumb, probably subscribe. See you next time. Yeah, 24 plus.